In our previous scratch transition video, we focused on scratching and dropping on beat 1, right after the of beat 4. That's the last 16th note in the bar. In this video, we're going to scratch and drop on beat 1, but this time we'll be ending the phrase on the and of beat 4. Then drop the record on beat 1. Alright, let's check out the phrase. Here we go. If you have problems timing the release of the record, you can break things down and just work on bar 4. Scratch the rhythm until you have it down. Next, work on scratching bar 4 and releasing the record in time. When you drop the record, try to make the release as seamless as possible. Okay? Time to go over the transition. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you're getting the hang of this by now, but if you're not, it's no big deal. Just break down the phrase even more. Work on each bar by itself. Once you get the first bar down, move on to bar 2, and so on. This practice technique is called chunking. Once you can play each bar clean, start putting the 4-bar phrase together. Before you know it, you'll be transitioning on beat 1. I hope this information helps. Peace.